How to create sprints in Asana 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create sprints in Asana in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do so for yourself, what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure that your Asana has a Scrum management portfolio. So to do so, what you can do is you can come here and click on use a template. Now, once you come on use a template, you can simply write in Scrum. Okay. So in the case you can find Scrum over here, but obviously in the cases Scrum is not available, just make sure to go with any processing window that will have the board view. So let's say I'm going to go ahead with this. And once we do that, we're going to click on create project. Now, once you create project, obviously a sprint is managed through a Scrum portfolio that has a board view. So as you can see, we have a board view over here. And right about here, right in front of us, is where we have different days of the week, etc. So, it's, extremely easy to think of a sprint in different ways. It depends on how you choose to work along with it. So sprint is basically a Scrum event that encompasses all of the other Scrum events. There are fixed length periods of work that last 1 month or less to create consistency and ensure short iterations for feedback in order to inspect and adapt both how work is done and what is being worked on. And it all depends on a recurring timeline. Okay, so it's set in a period of time where all the work is done. So you can choose that period of time. So it could be Monday to Thursday. And in this period of time, we're supposed to do all these things. So it all depends on your management technique and what views you use. And the best view for a sprint would be a board view. So this is how you're going to be doing it. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. And I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.